Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective weight loss smoothie recipe. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 3 ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is banana. You just need 1 banana for this recipe. You can go with any variety of your choice. Choose nice and ripe banana for best results. Banana is a very healthy ingredient. It is rich in nutrients, improves blood sugar levels, supports digestive health, aids weight loss, supports heart health, full of antioxidants and improves your kidney health. Peel off the skin and chop them into small chunks. Keep this ready. The second ingredient is dates. You just need 3 dates for this recipe. Remove the seed and chop them into small chunks. Dates is again a very nutritious, high in fiber ingredient, high in disease fighting antioxidants, may promote brain health, excellent natural sweetener and easy to add to your diet. Keep this ready as well. The third ingredient is oats. You just need 2 tablespoons of oats for this recipe. Oats is high in nutrients, rich in antioxidants, contains a powerful soluble fiber, lower cholesterol levels, improves blood sugar control and is a very filling ingredient. Now we have all the 3 ingredients ready, so let's check out how to make this healthy weight loss drink. To a mixer jar, add the oats, chopped dates and chopped banana. To this, add 2 tablespoons of milk and grind it to a very fine paste. Then to this, add half cup of water and grind well again. Our healthy weight loss smoothie is ready. Take a mug like this. To this, add the smoothie and serve it right away. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also, make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter smoothie drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink boosts your immunity, so do try this fat cutter smoothie recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.